We have some amazing weather here today in Macau, and this is overlooking Haksai Beach. There's a bunch of people at the beach today. It's January 1, 2024, the first day of the year, and there's actually some sailboaters out there on the ocean as well, or in the bay or the water or whatever you call it, sea. And we're basically gonna walk down this way into these big rocks over here, and we're also just going to kind of show you what's around here, including all these colonial homes. We'll walk by those briefly. So stay tuned, give you another little taste of Macau on January 1st, about 21 degrees Celsius, about 72, 73 Fahrenheit. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. I just found out the camera wasn't rolling. You just missed out on all this kind of cool stuff that I was talking about over here, including a little sailboat that wiped out, and then this little hotel over here. But actually, there's a sails that are way over there now. But anyways, there's all these mansions go all the way down, and we're just gonna go down into the rocks. So I missed a little bit of the cool stuff, but there's so much more cool stuff because it's pretty windy, and as nice as the bay was with the beach in the background, we also have this beautiful trail right here, Haksai Long Chao Coastal Trail. And this trail goes about 25 minutes probably. You could walk all the way down to these other homes, the rich, really rich, nice, beautiful homes. But we're just gonna walk a little ways and just kind of give you an idea of all the rocks and all the people as well. So let's check it all out. The sun is going to be going down, and it's very, very windy, so I might get a lot of wind noises on the camera. And you can see a lot of people are they go up on the rocks, get some good photos. Okay, so yeah, when I first came to Macau, I didn't know anything about it. I wasn't really into tourist guides or anything like that, so I didn't know there was paths like this. And then the first time I came down here, I was like, dang, it looks like National Geographic magazine. Like, how can this not be touted as a place that you must go to when you visit Macau? And I think I've kind of become very appreciative that it's not well known, because it's you know, the roads, you know, a lot of Macau has so many crowds already, so it's nice to have these places like this. And I think what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling for about 5 minutes just so you can kind of go. I want to go around the corner, and we're gonna look at this little it's like a Chinese what do you call that, pagoda or something like that. It's like a, looks like a kiosk kind of thing, so you'll see that too. Oh, that looks really cool. Hello. I love those, their clothing attire looks so nice, so I want to have it on camera. And then they got them a little smile so that I can maybe do that as a thumbnail. Yeah, I really like the traditional clothing when they wear that here. There's a name for it, I forget. There's what we're gonna go to right there. Yeah, look how amazing this trail is. Hanfu. So that traditional clothing, I think it's called, I don't know if Hanfu relates to a very specific one, or if it's just all of them are called Hanfu. But yeah, those two girls were wearing Hanfu, I believe is the name of it. Yeah, I think about that a lot too. Just like I've been reading about Europeans as well when they came to China, and just, you know, the way the traditional clothing of that other era was just so amazing, so cool. Like the Chinese Hanfu and just their hairstyle. And then also the Europeans too, they also had some really interesting styles too. And it's something that we don't really like a lot of clothing now, it's kind of bland comparatively. So we'll just wait till they go by a little bit, because now we got these amazing views. Looks like that. And I think I'm going to be going all the way down to that little space down there. Yeah, Macau. So this is just maybe about a third of the way. We could go a lot further, and you'll get another idea of another big stretch of it once we get over there, which is what we're going to do in a moment. Sunset is going to come down in a moment as well. There we go. Then there's also other ways we could go down that way too. So they go all the way down in that trail and just keep going, and we'll get a view of that in a moment. And now we get this view right here. But we're gonna, they're doing a photo, so we're gonna just angle the camera like this. And then you can see that sunset. Then also you can see all the other trails all along. And then of course, where we came from. And of course, this direction where we came from as well. Amazing. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to end it right here. Oh, I guess we can come out this way now. So we come all the way out here, and then we're gonna come around the corner here. There you go. We have those amazing views. Okay. So this is the Haksa Lok Chao Coastal Trail. You can see it all the way down. Hope you liked it. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.